Okay, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Annisa. I'm from English Department of Yayan Parepare, and now I'm going to explain about the consonant sounds. Okay, let's start it. The first is Unit 23. In Unit 23, there are two consonant sounds. The first is the sound sh, and the second is the sound j. Okay, the first is the sound sh. To make the sound sh, touch the palate with the sides of the tongue and release the air slowly. Don't stop the airflow and don't make a sound with your voice. Okay, the examples are sugar, sure, assure, issue, shame, shoe, fashion, wishes, wished, mention, chef. Okay, practice for mastery. Don't mention her anxious expression. Shane assured me he'd shine his shoes. Share the sugar with Charlotte. And then the next is about the sound j. To make the sound j, touch your palate with the side of your tongue and release the air slowly. Don't stop the air and make a sound with your voice. The examples are azure, measure, usual, Asia, vision, courage, beige. Okay, practice for mastery. They usually watch television for pleasure. She occasionally wears her beige blues. Take the usual measurements. Okay, and then the next is Unit 24. In Unit 24, there are two consonant sounds also. The first is the sound s, and the second is the sound z. Okay, the first is the sound s. To make the sound s, place the center of your tongue against the palate and release the air slowly. But don't stop the air and don't make a sound with your voice. Okay, the examples are say, some, square, small, fast, kiss, missed. Okay, and then just to inform you guys that the letter X is often pronounced as K plus S. The examples are X, relax, expect, extra, fix, fox. Okay, and then the next is about the letter S. The letter S is silent in the following word. The examples are curb, aisle, chassis, debris. Okay, and then the next is introducing the sound Z. To make the Z sound, place the center of the tongue against the palate. Release the air slowly without stopping. Make a sound with your voice. The examples are zero, lazy, freezy, zeros, easy, cousin. Okay, and then usage tips. Non-plurals or third person present tense verb forms, possessive, and constructions after vowel, and the voice consonant b, d, g, v, n, l, r, and d are spelled as s and pronounced as z. Okay, listen. The examples are, for example, noun plurals: potatoes, labs, heads, dogs. Okay, for example, about the third person singular verbs, cries, sees, does, rides. Okay, for example, in possessive, Bob's, Peg's, Martha's, his, hers. Okay, and for example, in construction with is, his, she's. Okay, and then the letter X is sometimes pronounced as G plus Z. For examples are examine, exhort, exist. Okay, and then the next, practice for mastery. We can house 5 of your guests at our beach. Okay, and the next is about Unit 25. In Unit 25, we are going to learn about the sounds L and R. Okay, the first is the sound L. To make the sound L, curl your tongue up. Put the underside of the tongue firmly on the back of your top teeth and make a sound with your voice. Okay, the examples are lake, love, daily, solve, film, clean, glass, mail. Okay, and then usage tip, the subject pronouns plus al from construction with the final l sounds of will, indicating some instance in a future time. The examples are all, you'll, he'll, she'll, will, they'll. Okay, and then practice for mastery. Lou delayed the long flight. Lola likes it leveled. Okay, and the next is about the letter. The letter L is silent in the following words. The examples are half, halves, soft, could, should, would. Okay, and then the next is about the sound R. To make the sound R, keep the tongue back. Don't let your tongue touch inside your mouth. Round your lips and push them forward. Make a voice sounds. Okay, the examples are race, cry, around, write, draw. Okay, and then usage tips. The grammar marker S and Ed are voiced after R. The examples are fears, cares, fires, implores. Okay, and then R and plus D, feared, cared, fired, implored. Okay, and then practice for mastery. Rita read 3 very short stories. Roger, the writer, brought 30 red roses. Remember to write to your friends. Okay, and then the next is about Unit 26. In Unit 26, we are going to learn about the sound and Okay, the first is the sound The sound is bilabial nasal. To produce the sound press your lips together and make a voice. Humming sound, release the air through your nose. Okay? The examples are maybe, mother, tomorrow, famous, name, them, games. Okay, and then Practice for mastery. My name is Emily. Maybe my mother will make something. I'm coming home with them tomorrow. Okay, and then the next is about the sound n. To pronounce n, place your tongue against your palate and hold it there. Make a voice sound and release the air through your nose. Through your nose. Okay? The examples are name, never, any, money, and okay, the next is about the letter N. The letter N is silent in the following words. The examples are autumn, column, hymn. Okay, and then the next is about the sound M. To make the sound M, bring the back of your tongue up against the volume, close the air up completely, and release it through the nose. Okay, the examples are long, strong, singing, going, hunger, singer, tongue. Okay. The next is in Unit 27. In Unit 27, the sound th and th. Okay, the first is the sound th. To make the sound th, hold the tip of your tongue between your top and bottom teeth. Force the air out with the voiceless sounds. The examples are thank, think, thirsty. Okay, and then practice for mastery. We both need something for our throats. He thought $30,000 was nothing. And then the next is about the sound tha. Tha. Pronounce tha. Hold the tip of your tongue between your top and bottom teeth. Release the air with the voice sounds. Okay, the examples are they, les, those, the. Okay, practice for mastery. The mother saw the teething baby. My brothers loved this with her. Okay, and then the next is Unit 28. In Unit 28, the sound. To make the sound, keep your tongue free and force air from the throat with a voice sound. The examples are hey, high, hop, huge, hurry, alcohol, who, cool. Okay, practice for mastery. Does he have any hope? Hi, what's your hurry? Howard is hiding in Ohio. Okay, the next is about the letter H. The letter H is silent in the following examples. Honor, honest, hour, join, night, fight. Okay, what, when, where, why, khaki. Okay, the next is Unit 29. In Unit 29, there are two sounds. The first is sounds w and y. Okay, the first is the sound w. To make this sound, relax your tongue, then round your lips and press them back against and the front of your teeth. Make a sound as you release your lips. The examples are way, was, were, why, away, one, once. Okay, practice for mastery. When will we go away? Why was there a war? One of the twins walked 20 miles. Okay, about the letter W. The letter W is silent in the following words. The examples are who, whom, whose, who, right, wrong, short, toward, knowledge. Okay, and then the next is about the sound y. To pronounce y, spread your tongue flat and toward the back of your mouth. Don't let your tongue touch the palate. Y. Next, make a wide smile with your lips and bring your tongue forward with a voice sound. The examples are yes, yellow, yet, year, beyond. Okay, and then practice for mastery. May I use your iron? Yes, you may use it anytime. Okay, about the letter Y. The letter Y is silent in the following words. The examples are says, says, and prayers. Okay? And then Unit 30. Unit 30, we are going to learn about double consonants. Double consonant. Sometimes a word ending in a consonant sound is followed by a word beginning with the same consonant sounds or one form in the same position. The examples are when P meet pa. The examples are keep practicing. Okay? Grab Brian's hand. The pup belongs to her. It's not too much. Don't do that. I like candy. Okay, that's scary. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you very much, and I do apologize if I have some mistakes. Okay, always practice because practice makes perfect. Don't be shy to speak. If you are talkative, you will get the progress. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.